Hello friends, so today I have a very interesting product to show to you, and this is something that I had bought completely unexpected and ad hoc, and it has turned out to be a great little nifty ad to my family. So here introducing to you today is the eGate i9 Pro Digital Projector, and yeah, let's get started. As you can see, it comes already fitted with a stand and it can swivel to quite a wide angle of degrees. And in addition to that, you can just open up this 1/4" screw at the bottom and then you can just mount it on a tripod. So I have a Digitech camera tripod that I have been using for my previous videos. It's again a very handy little tool, and I'll be using that to mount the projector instead of the stand. So as you can see, I have already mounted the projector on a tripod. I have also plugged in my Amazon Fire Stick 4K because the best experience is with Amazon Fire Stick. So there are also the 3.5mm mic in an AV port and a USB and the IR blaster. The good part is the Fire Stick can be powered by the USB port on the projector itself. How cool is that? Before I get into the projector review, let me just give a background of where the decision to upgrade my infotainment system came from. So my old TV was over 6 years old and I thought of an upgrade. And then the only upgrade that was there in my mind for quite some time was to get an OLED TV. So I got this Xiaomi 55-inch OLED TV during the Diwali sale. It cost me, I think, somewhere around 49,000. It was a pretty crazy deal at that price point. I mean, can you imagine a 55-inch OLED TV at a price below 50k? But not only this, even the LG B3 model that was also selling at somewhere around 58,000. So OLED TV, the prices are gonna go down crazily in the coming days. So anyway, that's where you can see me helping the installation engineer with all the help that I could get. The setup was fairly simple, and pretty soon the TV was up and running, and wow, I just blown away by the quality of the panel. I was completely mesmerized by what I was seeing in front of my eyes. But that state of mind didn't stay for long, and once the engineer left, I started looking around the corners from all the close microscopic views of my eyes, and I could see these very few dead pixels. And dead pixels are a very unique thing. Once you see this thing, however tiny or however minute these might be, maybe it's just a single one. In my case, it was not a single one. But yeah, once you see it, your eyes will just see that. Although I had got a crazy deal and I was completely mesmerized by the colors of the vibrant panel, I couldn't accept myself keeping the TV and I filed for a replacement request. But then Amazon said that replacement would not be possible, so they proceeded with a refund. And I thought that I'll park my OLED TV purchasing plan for the next year. So it was during the Diwali holidays. I was visiting my cousin's home, and there he showed me the new projector that he had bought. So that's where I got to know about eGate i9 Pro Digital. So I think around a couple of years back, I think 3-4 years back, that same cousin had bought a very cheap projector, the one that you would commonly see everywhere, that yellow and white one. And it was not that good of a quality. But after that also, me and him also, we thought for some time that projector could be a great replacement for TV. And now that I see that he has already got one, I thought why not give it a try. So that's when I ordered this i9 Pro Digital from Amazon, and that's the product booting up. So it cost me somewhere around 6,500 bucks during the sale. And as soon as you boot into the projector, this is the screen that you are welcomed with. It's a normal Android TV screen. And if you check the apps drawer section and if you just scroll a bit, you will see that this is a completely Google TV The TV actually works on Android 9. I know it's a pretty archaic version of Android, but you get Play Store. And if you have Play Store, your possibilities are endless. You can just install anything and everything. The projector is a 720p projector. At this price point, I don't think 1080p's or 4K's are available. But just look for yourself the kind of quality that you can get even from the native projector without even using a Fire Stick. I know it's a 720p projector, but let your eyes decide. I have already projected it to a close to around 100-inch screen on one of my wall, and that wall is also not even completely clean. It's a yellow wall with a lot of blemishes, but still just look at the quality. For the next couple of minutes, just see this trailer of Superman and decide for yourself. So in addition to the picture that you are viewing right now, it has also got the speaker. It's a 5-watt speaker. It's a reasonable speaker. I mean, if you don't have an alternate Bluetooth speaker or something like that, this can also do its job. It has its limitation, but it will suffice whatever requirements you have considering the portability of the device.
Home. Take me home.
So moving to the settings section of the projector, I'll just quickly open it, and yeah, it connects over Wi-Fi to my home network. You can connect to whatever you want. You can also pair your Bluetooth speaker for a better quality audio, and then you have the projector settings. So now, I mean, it's rotatable, so any way you place the projector, you should be able to get a decent view. There is this option called gyro horizon. I am not sure how to use it, so I tried it out. It didn't do anything. Keystone, again, the side keystone is the best one that suits me, because after you click on sides keystone, you get this option where you can actually do all sorts of alignments of the corners so that you get a perfectly flat screen. So that's the one. It also supports auto keystone, but I'm not sure whether I don't know how to use it, or I don't know. I mean, I was pretty content with just setting it up manually. It's a very pretty simple thing, and once you do it, after that it will just stay at the same settings for all times. So apart from that, it has an HDMI port, right? It has an AB port as well as an USB port that can be used as source. It also has a file manager with which you can read whatever is there on the USB, and then the regular terms of use and other options. Now I'll just quickly boot into my Fire TV, because that's where the power of this product comes out to be, and that's what I've been using it the most with. Just look at the enhancement in quality once you switch to Fire Stick. And I'll again just play some few videos. I'll just zoom in so that you don't see the bezel, and just try to give your eyes the power to decide whether it's a good projector or not. To be honest, if I am given that option to choose for you, you can just straight away blindly go for it, right? You know, I mean, making a video of a projector is not that easy because of all the things, right? Your camera, your smartphone's camera or the digital camera might not be able to get what your eyes is actually viewing. At the same time, you need a completely dark room for it to work. So I have covered everything, and it's night, right? So I don't have any lights in the room. So that's why that's the kind of quality you get when you are completely in the dark. Right? It's amazing. I mean, you have to trust my words on it. I don't think there is any other projector out there in the market that gives a quality like this. There are multiple copies of Samsung Freestyle available. That's the common one, right? I'll just put an image in the corner for you to refer to. You will see that by multiple brands that are getting sold, but then that doesn't even come in close comparison to what this projector has to offer. And I'm not sure how eGate, I mean, I didn't even hear about this brand before, so I don't know where they sourced it from, but they seem to have caught a cash cow. This is one projector. I mean, the more people come to know about it, they will just go for it. And as far as I know, they have already increased the price. Now it costs close to, I think, around 8,000 or 9,000. So they have realized that the potential of this projector is much higher. So I have kept all these videos for you to have a look and feel of what the quality is like, and then make a decision for yourself. But honestly, I am pretty content with this. so much content that I have completely given up given up my plan of buying an OLED TV for the near future. I have already installed my old LED back in my drawing room, and this is the one that I have been primarily using for quite some time. So yeah, I'll add the buying links on the description. So that's what it looks like once you have the lights turned on. The projector, again, you would need a completely dark room for it to work. So that's all from my end. Please like and subscribe if you find the content helpful. I'll meet you again with the next video, which will be of DJI Neo. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe. I need your support for me to continue putting up these videos. Thank you so much.